Hi, it's Pibble Pusher, and today I'm going to show you how I made these handy, playable modular stairs. I tried a few things before I settled on this design. Originally, I was aiming for a spiral staircase, but I struggled to make something that would be easy to make multiple times at the same scale, and that was still playable. I tried stacking plain blocks of foam together and decided that with the suggestion of stairs, I wouldn't need to make the whole staircase. I started out by carving a few stairs into one edge of a 1x1 foam block. I made sure to keep the stair area small so that the minis could still rest comfortably on top of the block. I liked the look of it, so I decided to magnetize them to keep them from shifting or toppling during play, and so that they could connect in any order, I put the magnets on the bottom of each piece. I pressed the magnet in to make an imprint and then hollowed it out until I could fit the magnet itself. If you haven't worked much with magnets, it's important to know that there's a positive and a negative side to them. To make them snap together, we need the front edge of our stairs to be polarized one way, either positive or negative is fine, and the remaining three sides to be polarized the opposite way. To ensure the polarity is correct, I start with the front edge of my largest piece. I insert some hot glue into my hole and then add the magnet. This will act like a guide. From here, leave one extra magnet attached to the first, then glue it directly into the back of another stair. Before it finishes drying, drag your stairs apart so the glue doesn't stick them together, but the magnets remain in place. Continue with this method, matching front edge magnets to side and rear magnets until each edge of each stair is done. Texture it however you like, seal it with Mod Podge, and paint. I use a black base layer, then dry brush with gray, and just a little brown, green, and white. You can configure these stairs in many ways, make them at different heights and in different styles, or make multiple sets to snap together. You can even add a magnet at the top of your taller pieces to keep the spiral going another turn, if your magnets are strong enough to support it. So that's it. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Feel free to like and subscribe, it helps me out. And if you're a reader, why not check out my dark fantasy books through the link in my channel. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy crafting!